The mighty pancreas, your body's unsung hero. Our bodies are intricate systems. Each organ plays a vital role. The pancreas, often overlooked, is no exception. This small gland, tucked behind the stomach, is a powerhouse. It deserves our attention and care. This essay will explore simple yet effective ways to support your pancreas. We will focus on natural detoxification methods. These can be easily incorporated into your daily routine. Many people are unaware of the pancreas's importance. It's not as commonly discussed as the heart or lungs, however, understanding its functions can motivate us. We can then make healthier choices. Let's delve into the remarkable role of this often unsung hero of our digestive and endocrine systems. The pancreas is a key player in digestion. It produces enzymes. These enzymes break down food. This breakdown allows our bodies to absorb nutrients. Without a properly functioning pancreas, digestion is compromised. This can lead to a variety of health issues. Beyond digestion, the pancreas regulates blood sugar. It does this by producing insulin. Insulin helps cells absorb glucose from the bloodstream. This keeps blood sugar levels stable. When the pancreas is overworked, insulin production can become inefficient. This can lead to conditions like insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. Modern diets often burden the pancreas. Processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats are common culprits. These foods force the pancreas to work overtime. This constant strain can lead to inflammation. Over time, this can impair its function. The good news is that we can support our pancreas. By making conscious food choices, we can lighten its load. Choosing whole foods is a great start. Fruits, vegetables, and whole grains are excellent choices. These foods are naturally lower in sugar and unhealthy fats. Section 4. Simple nighttime rituals for a happy pancreas. Supporting your pancreas doesn't require drastic measures. Simple changes to your nighttime routine can make a difference. These habits promote natural detoxification. First, lemon and turmeric water. Before bed, enjoy a warm cup of water with lemon and a pinch of turmeric. Lemon stimulates digestive juices, and turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties. Next, opt for light evening meals. This gives your pancreas ample time to rest and detoxify overnight. Avoid heavy, greasy, or sugary foods close to bedtime. Herbal teas for overnight detox are another great option. Herbal teas like ginger, dandelion, and chamomile can aid digestion and soothe the pancreas. Enjoy a cup before bed to support overnight detoxification. And if you need a bedtime snack, choose magnesium-rich options like a handful of almonds or a banana. Magnesium aids in muscle relaxation, including those in the digestive tract. Section 5. Cultivating long-term habits for a healthy pancreas. While nighttime routines are beneficial, long-term lifestyle changes are crucial for sustained pancreas health. Regular physical activity is key. Engage in at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Exercise improves insulin sensitivity and aids in weight management, both crucial for pancreatic health. Staying hydrated is also essential. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Water is necessary for all bodily functions, including digestion and enzyme production. Avoiding processed sugars is another important step. Limit your intake of processed sugars found in sodas, candies, and baked goods. These sugars put a significant strain on the pancreas, leading to potential health issues. Consider incorporating apple cider vinegar into your routine. A tablespoon of apple cider vinegar diluted in water before meals may help regulate blood sugar levels and improve digestion. Section 6. Embrace the change, one step at a time. Taking care of your pancreas is an act of self-care. It's about making sustainable choices that support your overall well-being. Remember, small, consistent changes make a big difference over time. Start by incorporating one or two of the nighttime habits mentioned above. Gradually adopt the long-term lifestyle changes. Listen to your body. Celebrate your progress. By prioritizing your pancreatic health, you are investing in a healthier, more vibrant you.